If you've been dealing with that constant neck pain, headaches, and that really stiff, straight, military, kyphotic neck because you've been sitting at that desk or on the phone for long periods of time, you're not alone. The good news is I'm going to show you 3 simple, safe, and effective exercises that you can do to help fix the military neck, the kyphotic neck, restore the proper cervical curve and posture to where you're finally going to ease that neck pain and headache. Hi, my name is Dr. Rob Bates. I'm a chiropractor and a certified athletic trainer. And before you do any of these type of exercises, make sure you check with your healthcare provider to make sure it's correct for you. So when you're sitting at your desk or on the phone for long periods of time, your head weighs about 10 to 15 pounds, and think of it as like a bowling ball. So typically a normal neck curve should be about 35 degrees, like a shock absorber. But when you sit forward, when you constantly sit forward in a certain position, that head weight will go forward. It starts straightening out the neck and creates a military neck, or it can get reversed to more of a kyphotic neck. And that puts a lot of tension because the neck muscles have to hold up that bowling ball out front. So it's a lot of tension. It's going to create a lot of shearing and stress throughout the discs and the nerves in those areas. So it's going to result in things like headache, chronic stiffness, neck pain. It can even create tingling, numbness, weakness down your hands. Dizziness. It can actually eventually cause the shearing stress to cause degenerative disc disease or osteoarthritis. So with these exercises that we're going to show you, it's going to help restore that proper posture, but restore the proper curve, bring it back over center, take the tension out of those areas so you start feeling good. First exercise is the prolordotic. Now this is something that you have to get online. There's different colors which will indicate different resistances. The red one's usually the easiest one. We're going to start off with the blue today. You want to set your posture. Real important to set your posture. You want to brace your abdominals, kind of screw your feet into the ground firmly and keep your proper posture. Then you take this prolordotic elastic band, you stretch out, extend the elbows out, put it back behind your neck, and you place it. Most people will be about the mid-cervical area. And you stretch that forward, and you want to keep braced in the abdominals so you don't arch your back, because once you release your abdominals, you may sway forward and it's going to foul up the line of drive. It won't be as effective on your neck. So you extend your arms out, come forward, and you want to extend over the band, bring your chin to your chest, extend back. Now perform 10 slow repetitions to increase that range of motion. Start restoring the curve to bring the head, release the head back over center. Heats up the area, brings blood flow into the area. 10 repetitions, and repeat this 3 sets. Next exercise, we want to strengthen, lengthen, release that head so it starts coming back over center, releases the tension. So you want to get a rolled up towel, roll it up real firmly. It's going to be about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Place that down. Place that towel at the apex of the curve on your mid-back. So it may be up high or it may be low, just where that apex is. Then you want to brace abdominals, keep it firm. You want to interlace your fingers, place them on your forehead, bring the elbows out, and you want to bring your chin to your chest. Slowly let your head drift back, an extension, but keep it under tension. Then you reverse it, bring it on the back of your head, elbows out, resist the tension coming forward. So you're actually lengthening and keeping it under tension. So it's lengthening and strengthening. You reverse it, put it on your forehead, elbows out. You want to perform 10 repetitions. This will help release that head and bring that forward head posture back over the shoulders more. It'll help strengthen the area, increase blood flow, and then promote healing. Next exercise is going to be cervical extension traction. So all you're going to do is the weight of the head, the 10 to 15 pound weight of your head is going to lay back over the towel, and you let it hang there. The goal is 10 to 20 minutes. Start off 30 seconds and gradually work up day by day until you get over that 10-minute mark. So this is important because what we're trying to do is create permanent change in there, because you can release the muscles and the tendons quite easily. It doesn't take much time, but you have this thick ligament called the anterior longitudinal ligament on the front of the neck. When you're sitting in poor postures for a long period of time, you have that military neck, or worse, that kyphotic neck, shortens up that ligament. So in order to get that thing to relax, you have to have a long, steady stretch under tension. So it's time under tension, so you can achieve some spinal molding in that area. Like I said, you want to perform all these exercises once a day, minimum 5 days a week to get best results. Typically, you're going to feel pretty quick changes in the headaches and neck pain and stiffness. And then the curve changes will actually take longer. They take anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks. So keep that up. If you have any other questions about this topic or other ones that you want to maybe us to make other videos on, make sure you comment down below. Spread this information to other people that can really use it. Subscribe. We really appreciate serving you. Keep spreading the word. We'll see you in our next video.